Things are getting out of hand. Oh! 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 All right, what is going on, everyone? We're here today with the Dragon Boards team. They are the best snakeboarders in the entire world. Basically, if you missed the last video, they crushed the Braille house, but now we are giving them free reign to move anything they want in the whole entire skate park, make their own crazy builds. They've already kind of started building something if you look behind. How do you think that looks, Chris McNugget?
I think it looks spectacular. It looks really nice.
It looks nice and safe. Look at, he's already getting ready. But before we get into the skating, would you like to tell us a little bit more about Dragon Boards and about snakeboarding?
Yeah, man, so snakeboarding was back in the 90s. We've been doing it since then. We're old, a couple of us. We're just carrying on that tradition because, you know, they're just different. That's what we like about it. It's a unique movement. You never take your feet off the board. So it's kind of like snowboarding, and these guys come up with some pretty crazy stuff. You can flip, you can grind, and spin between them. Pretty sick.
And here I am just floating around. I want to just bring up something that I heard because they were having a little pre-video discussion about this. You know, I was just listening and I heard the word, oh no, this looks pretty dangerous. Like, you know, if you clip it, you can go to the hospital. And then the response, just don't fall. That's what I like to hear, baby. Let's go.
That's probably the best advice.
True. It is very true. No be safe mentality around here. They're sending it. You guys are good to go. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Why am I so scared? Oh! How's it feel?
Scary, really scary.
That looks straight to me.
There? 4 more? There? Yeah?
I always have to do this work for these guys.
I can't watch. There's so much risk.
It's that first part. Theoretically, once you get past the box, it at least gets a little safer. Leave it in the comments below if that was the best trick ever done at the warehouse. Oh! They can't half send either. They just have to fully go for it, which is even crazier. Yeah! Oh!
I feel like board slide seems so sketchy.
It is. Oh! Up! Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
Okay.
Oh, Yoshi down B onto the rail.
That looked painful.
You know what's good about these boards though? Since you're strapped in, you can't sack.
That is true, and that's what I've been telling my mum for years.
Yeah! Oh! Safe! Safe! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Dude, that is horrifying.
Yeah! What are we thinking in the realm of builds here?
I kind of want to try the big one.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You guys are telling us about it.
All right.
Sounds amazing.
going up there. That angle's way better up here. Oh my God! Woo! Y'all are too good.
They're killing it, bro.
That was crazy. That front three out was buck. They want to do the long rail, Chris. You guys want to do that?
Sounds great.
Is this the big boy we're gonna do it?
It's up to them.
Why am I asking
Yeah,
you?
why are you asking me?
Maybe, hey, do we want to skate it for like a second? See how it feels? Get the wax right and whatever before we start doing some Grand Canyon gap.
Oh! You made that look a little too easy.
Yeah, and I'm worried about my second attempt. It's gonna be the worst one probably.
That's kind of thing, you know, like you can do it like first try, you can do like 300 tries.
That is true.
Dude, that pinch!
Yeah, man. That was banging.
You gonna hit it at all?
I watch.
You will.
Get all the roadblocks out the way.
It looks so fun. Oh!
Let's see it, Simon.
Oh! It's insane. These long rails are so hard to skate. Oh! It's so scary board sliding like that. Oh!
That scared me.
It is faster in the middle.
Yeah.
Is it?
Sure feels like
You
it.
pick up speed.
Sick. What should we do?
The rail inside?
Moving inside?
Yeah.
It's going inside, Oos.
Inside?
You're testing me. Now I'm gonna do what I know you hate.
nose.
I know what you're gonna do. Do what you're gonna hate.
That's dirty. That's dirty.
Wait, how does this work?
That goes here. Yeah, right. Yeah, like right here. Now we gotta put it up, and then we gotta figure out how to support it from the bottom. Support beams.
I cannot believe that just happened.
It's a kink rail now.
Yeah, we got 2 rails.
Yo!
The
I
record.
did not see that coming.
I did not do that well. I did that one over there, and that's still in one piece.
Phenomenal job.
Thanks, brother.
Dude, that is so funny that that happened.
I cannot believe that.
Rail to rail?
Rail to gap, rail to rail. Yeah.
We can do this.
Can do rail to rail.
That's pretty cool. I think we should do that someday.
Yeah, go ahead.
But someday that's not right now.
Let's start with the rail to gap.
Can you guys do firecrackers on stairs? That'd be sick. Do like a grind of firecrackers. Something like that.
What's up, guys? I just want to let you know. Sometimes lizards shed their tail if they're getting attacked, so that the bird attacks like the tail and not the lizard. You know?
You know, some
feel-
lizards squirt blood out of their eye as a defense mechanism.
Yeah, I feel like that's what happened with the rail. The rail's like, they're getting me, they're getting me. Fling my tail off. Fun fact of the day.
We're gonna try the rail to gap.
First try. Yeah. Yeah.
It's terrifying.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Let's see it, Alex.
Wow.
Let's try it with the rail. Okay.
It's time.
It's time, Lutz.
I think that's gotta be it.
I was just gonna say, where have you been? You just missed 50 to nose grind.
Oh! 50-50, 270 lip a handrail. Like, how? How do you do that?
I'm starstruck.
Oh, he's got the helmet on now.
Oh!
You what?
Oh, I got the angle.
Dang.
Thank you, guys. What's so thick?
That's insane.
He went for it. That was it, big dog.
Oh my God! We should just go home.
We can't play them skate.
That was messed up, dude. You happy? You
That
feel
was solid.
good?
That was fun. I'm glad I didn't have to partake because that was ridiculous.
Wait, go up it?
Yeah, maybe we can do that.
Just watch out, it might slide. That's the only thing. Oh! Yeah, it slid a little bit. Dang, look at those veins.
I'm vascular.
He looks like me when I try to ollie that.
You during every high ollie challenge? Oh no! Front tail?
Yeah.
I see what is happening. Oh, look at you, Lo. What the? Things are getting out of hand.
Hey, it was their ideas.
Oh!
First tee?
It's too easy.
Bro, these guys just absolutely, I don't even want to skate no more. I want to try to do this. Bro, what the?
Oh, and it's steezy too, like all the reverse and everything. Kind of drop in the wrong way. Oh! Oh my God!
Just a little something light. Just a little blunt Smith grind down that rail.
Now we're gonna try the up and down.
Oh, he's going this way?
Yeah. Okay,
I think you got it. Yeah.
let's try the gap, the rail to rail. Yeah.
That's a wrap, dude.
You just witnessed 2 straight videos of some of the most just insane destruction of our skate park that you will probably ever see. I am honored to have been the one filming it. Leave it in the comments below if you were honored to have been the one watching it. Thank you guys. Thank you all. Thank you. Thank you so much. The Dragon Boards team, they are amazing. They're unreal. Check them out in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below. And just as you saw in this video, skateboarding and any activity related to skateboarding, including snakeboarding, is so much fun. So if you've not yet picked up a skateboard or a snakeboard, go and do it now.